Elementary teachers, this is part 3 of School Gardens with Ease 2024 short video series. In part 1, I went through the unfortunate fact that the common advice out there when you want to grow a school garden with your students is wrong, backwards, and leaves teachers and communities exhausted and defeated. In part 2, I went through the steps that they usually tell you to go through to grow this school garden. And starting today, I'm going to go through those steps and tell you why they are wrong. Step 1, they tell you to form some sort of gardening committee or group and recruit volunteers to grow this garden together. This is hard work and it is completely unnecessary. I know this will ruffle some feathers because people have put a lot of time and energy into doing it this way. I hope you have an open mind. If you've never grown a school garden before, please don't start by putting a group of people together to help you grow this. First of all, you don't need them, and I'm going to explain why. Second of all, they have to gather, find, and recruit people, which is hard to do. Then you have to determine your roles and responsibilities. And then people will start to step on each other's toes. They will not reliably fulfill their commitments. People will argue about what should be done and what shouldn't be done and how things should be done. All of a sudden, everybody becomes an expert in growing food in the school. People will start telling you how to teach in this garden and what to teach in this garden. It's time-consuming, nerve-wracking, chaotic. And it's naive to think that your community will be a special snowflake and these things won't happen to it. The most important thing is that this is completely unnecessary. Yes, you will need your community's support, but now at the very beginning is not the time to do it. This is an educational garden and it should start in your classroom and it only needs you and your students. I explained this in detail later, but I also explained this and everything else, including my two-phase plan with handouts and details in School Gardens with Ease 2024 free 60-minute webinar for elementary teachers. Make sure you grab your spot as soon as possible because it's only available until end of January. Part 4 is coming tomorrow.